Fraser, Alistair, William, Paddy. I'm an apprentice panel beater and I work at Babbage and McCulloch. Through primary school and early high school, I sort of just assumed I'd go to university just because that's what I thought everyone did. I never really thought about an apprenticeship. The closer I got to the end of high school, I thought, oh, there's no point going to uni if that's not what I really want to do. So I thought I'd probably be better off getting a trade, which is something that I'll have forever and something I can travel with.
We got Fraser through a gateway program, my startup, and it's a great program. He came to work 1 day a week. It's a brilliant way to get the kids straight from school and into a trade.
I did 4 days of school and then just a one whole day of work experience out here. Yeah, I did think startup helped me get this job. It showed me, yeah, what the job involved, so that also helped me make my mind up about saying yes to a job here. If you're thinking about doing gateway, I'd recommend it. Get 1 day work experience in an industry that you're interested in. Maybe going around businesses in your local area and just asking if they need help, need like an after school person. I know businesses are always looking for apprentices.